Good for you. Big one, Dutch. And you pick from the Water District General Manager of the Tribunal. Okay, let me repeat that. General Manager of the Tribunal Water District, Engineer Eduardo Tejada.
What can you contribute to protect our environment?
Well, of course, as a community, as a community, the main role is to, of course, inspire other people to do the same as like what we do. Of course, if we will be able to let them see what we can do, that we can change and we can safeguard our environment, of course, they will see it and of course they will copy it and of course they will be able to safeguard also our environment. And of course, if we will be able to be united as one, we will be able to hand in hand protect our environment. And that of course is by means of being aware of what is the essential things that should be done to our environment, like what we do in our activities here in Mindanao, and that is tree planting, trees, and clean up the grass. That is the very essential part of being a Filipino.